Okay, welcome back. So far we've been focusing on navigating the command line, moving through folders, listing things, finding our current path. Next, we're going to focus on manipulating folders and files. So we're going to learn how to do things like making new folders, new files, deleting things, moving things around, renaming them, all through the command line. And we're going to start off here with a quick video on creating new directories from the command line. So the magic command is MKDIR, or MKDIR, stands for make directory. So MKDIR followed by the name of whatever you want the new directory to be called. Will make that new directory in the current folder, the current directory that you're in. So for example, if I have a folder called stuff, I want to make a new folder inside of it. I can write MKDIR cat pics, and whatever name I provide, there'll be a new directory with that name created inside of stuff. And if we did ls after that, we would see now there's a cat pics folder. Now, if there's anything else in there, it would also show up. But in this example, stuff is empty until we add cat pics. We can cd into cat pics, and now we've changed into our brand new directory. We type pwd. What should our path be? /users/cult/stuff/cat pics. And again, depending on if you're using Cloud9 or a PC or a Mac, the beginning of this might be a bit different. But really, we're just focusing on the stuff that is unique to this slide. And honestly, that's pretty much all there is to make directory. So let's try it out now. I have a new window open in the home directory. Let's type ls, and let's go to my desktop. You can see it over here. And the reason I'm going to use my desktop is that when a new directory is created, you'll actually see it show up over here as well. So you know I'm not just tricking you. So I type ls. I already have cat photos. So let's make a new directory, MKDIR. And I'll call this one dog photos. Hit enter. There it is. It's kind of annoying that it's not aligned on the grid, but if I type ls in my terminal, there's now a dog photos directory. I can cd into dog photos, and I type ls. There's nothing here, of course. Last thing I'll show you is that we can actually create more than one directory at a time. So let's say instead of dog photos, I wanted to have photos of my dog Rusty and photos of my dog Wyatt, and I wanted two folders in there. I could do Rusty pics space Wyatt pics, just like this. If I hit enter, doesn't look like anything happened. We don't get a message, but if I type ls, we now have two directories. And if I also open up dog photos, you can see I have two new directories in there. So that's it for MKDIR, MKDIR. The hardest part about it is remembering the arbitrary letters, MKDIR. All right, next we'll see how to make files.